Fuck it, here it goes.
It is the blunt and I'm back on the moon. I'm back in the Benz, I'm back in the tune. I'm racking them bands and I'm laughing at you. I'm pretty all wrong, don't say it ain't true.
You good, bro?
And I'm back on the moon.
Also, we're gonna be getting shot at.
Oh no, Logan, you ready? You good? Yeah, I couldn't tell if I had a BB in there or not. Reed, I'm pushing up right to this building. Go, go. You good, Brian?
Yeah.
Right, I'm running up.
Yo, Logan, I'm behind.
Yep. We got truck. Yeah, we got truck right now. I'm getting ready to slide up to these barrels. Shit, we lost truck. How you doing, Brian? Watch that window. I'm going around. All right. Yeah. Go.
Excuse me, Logan.
Yeah. Go ahead. That guy ain't even got a gun.
Underside, I think it's shooting.
Hit. Got me right in the armpit. Fuck, dude, I don't. Yeah, dude, I don't want to run. Oh shit, we better go help Reed.
Hey, teammate.
Two right?
Two right side.
Fuck. I gotta reload.
What's up, Reed?
What's up?
Hey, got that on the truck?
Yeah, we got one person. Reed, should I pop a smoke in front of the truck? I feel like that just gives them more cover.
It gives us cover over here.
You can try, I don't care. Fuck it, here it goes. Woo! Hit! Hit! We pushing up?
Ryan, you just got to take
I'll go first. Where was he at?
He's right here on the side of this building. Yep, drop below.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to those barrels.
Okay.
Okay?
That hurt, bro. You got anyone over there?
I don't think so. I'm not seeing him. Yo, guy in the building straight ahead of us. I'm out of gas.
Who's really? Over Jacob's
Yep. He's right in there. My hop up is so fucking high. You got hit?
I don't think I got hit yet. Oh, yeah, I got hit. Oh.
Got hit in the side and the head.
Yeah.
I think next time I'm gonna go around the right side, see if I can, or should we go left?
Wait, they're camping
Yep.
there.
Are
That's
they?
where we died last.
Okay. Oh yeah, dude. I see them all set up out here. Yeah. What's up?
Straight ahead.
Oh yeah, shoot some more. I'm here. Bang.
Oh, shit. Oh.
You good, bro?
Oh, man, you're getting a heart attack.
I copy. I read you loud and clear. Where you at?
Where you at? You left or right from it?
I'm still left side where we pushed. I got that dude.
I'm on my way.
10-4. Hit. Ow, yeah, I just got hit in the ass again. Reed, they're in the woods.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Two guys in that next building.
Right across?
Yeah, the one, I think, was it you that saved to kill the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's two of them there now.
Okay. Yep, two of them. What's up?
I just ate shit.
Did you?
Yeah.
We got guys right over here. Shit, Reed. Hit.
I'm good. You good?
Yep.
It in the blunt and I'm back. back of the moon. I'm back in the Benz, I'm back in the tune. I'm racking them bands and I'm laughing at you. I'm proving y'all wrong, don't say it ain't true. Hitting the blunt and I'm back.